Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just wanted to share something really quick. Last night I went to an event. I went to the US 30 boot camp event. I had a wonderful time, learned a lot as usual. But I want to share my experience from last night. Like I just said, I did learn a lot, and I had a lot to take away from the event. So after event, I had a distraction, and it's just that, a distraction. I got home, got my thoughts together, and I laid down and to ease my mind and my body. This morning, before I laid down and relaxed my mind and my body, I put in a trade. This morning when I woke up from that trade, it put a big smile on my face. Like, I started crying because how powerful Forex is. From 8 o'clock this morning to maybe 9:30, 10 o'clock this morning, I turned $150 to $780. Like, that is amazing. Like, so now I have 600 days. Today was my first $600 day, and I will keep growing and keep growing my account and keep growing it. But I just wanted to share that with y'all, and let you know that keep the hard work going. Keep pushing. You will, one day you will get to where you want to be.